Hi everybody, how's it going? It is the Team Avatar 112. I'm here with the helicopter game. It's nothing too basic, nothing too complicated, it's a basic game. Click start, you're gonna hold the thing, it's like one of those avoiding games. Yada yada, let's get to it. Ninja! Oh wow. 37. And you try to go the farthest. Me, I'm gonna try to go for 700. Gotta be a ninja. Oh boy, easy, 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 lemon, squeezy. Nope, no, no, no. Yes, okay, oh, this is gonna be easy. I bet I'm gonna bite that. Oh, wow, that was the quickest video ever. Ah, crush the feeling, 800. That's actually a personal best for me. That's actually, okay, well, I already set myself a high standard. Let's go for 1,000. Slow and sit. No, no, got erg. Me, her. No, no, no. Excuse me. No, 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 no. Bleh. You cannot catch me, for I am a helicopter. For I have ninja skills, and you will not be able to touch me. Watch me fly as I go through the buildings. Being evasive maneuvering and skills that will kill. As I fly through the God blah! Tacos will fly, and this is what happens when tacos fly. See, it ruins everything. What? Not even touch. Come on. That's not even fair. Keep it basic, keep it simple. Keep it basic, keep it simple. Keep it basic, simple, basic and simple. Basic and simple. Basic and simple. Basic and basic and simple. Basic and simple. I am a helicopter ninja who is friends and is the Team Avatar 112. I am a Scorpio. Yeah! Murder. Okay. No, okay. Thank you, Team Avatar 112. Thank you for joining us.